In this video, we're going to show you how to change your Threads account's password using the Threads application. To do so, open your Threads app from your app drawer. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're in the main homepage of Threads, tap on the human icon located at the bottom right. From your profile page, tap on the two lines at the top right hand corner. This will then open up your settings menu. Tap on account in the option and then tap on security. To change your Threads account's password, you need to change your Instagram account's password. It'll then take you to the password and security page from your Instagram app. Simply tap on change password button, choose your Instagram account, and then enter the current password in the first text box that you are using for Instagram. Now, enter the new password in the new password text box. Retype the new password one more time on the next field and finally tap on change password at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your Threads account's password. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.